So Messenger has made it possible for us to be able to add your favorite audio or your favorite music to your notes section. So to do that, we are going to open our Messenger app, and then at the top left hand corner, you're going to see your notes. So tap on it. So we're going to tap on leave a note. Now this is because I currently have a text note on. So if you do not have a text note on, it's going to be blank. So you just have the option to go ahead and start creating your notes or adding a song. So I'm going to tap on leave a note. And then at the bottom of my profile picture, can you see the music icon? So we tap on it. So we have different musics will pop up. So you go ahead and select the music that rhymes or makes sense with your mood, or the music that resonates with you. Okay, so I think I'm going with this song, Oil on My Head. So let me tap on it. Okay, so you have the option to select which part of the music you would want to use. So you simply tap on the music waves at the bottom and move it to the very part you would want the music to begin and the part you want it to end. And when the settings is okay for you, you go ahead and tap on done. Okay, then at the top you head on to tap on share. All right, so we have our notes and we have our audio in there and set for our friends and viewers to see. It's as simple as ABC. If you got value in this video, do also like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on my subsequent content. Thank you for your support and I'll see you in my next video. Later.